Sam Mayer splitter, I think. Big hit for the 7. That's definitely going to shut that thing down.
Nice avoidance by Parker. The 31, Parker Retzlaff.
So 3 junior motorsports cars involved, but the free pass goes here to their 4th teammate, Brandon Jones. And that will get him back on the lead lap. He's gotten the free pass. The last 2 cautions was 2 laps down, went to 1 lap down, and now will be scored on the lead lap here. What'd we say about having a hard time finding rhythm?
Yeah.